Okay, in this video, I'm going to try to figure out what's going on with the selector switch here on this KitchenAid mixer. The only thing seems to be wrong with it is the selector switch here. There is a single square drive here, so I'm going to take that apart. That should remove this strip along here, expose some more screws, take the top cover off. Then we can examine this switch to see if it can be repaired or replaced. So let's get started. All right. All right, there we are. This is really good to see. Some of these have a plastic housing right here. This gear housing that gets cracked. The gasket's still intact. And the plastic just is known to break. So it's good to see that they have a metal one there. Looks like it is a slide switch, and there's a piece of the switch that of course is inevitably broken. I can see it on the actual slide itself. Let me get an extension for this. Let's get down in there and I can show the details. I believe these are all the same size screws, so I don't need to sort the internal from the external. They're all interchangeable. This one was kind of loose. The rest of them took a little force to get off it. Yeah. And these are tapped. The threads are tapped directly into the casing, so we got to be careful when we put them back so we don't strip it. And so here we are, right here. So let's take note of these wires, though I prefer not to disconnect that. Yeah, so this selector switch, if I can get that on camera to see. So it is cracked right down in there. It's actually cracked and separated, so as you go to move it, it pulls apart and it binds on there. Looks like this board can be disassembled. Looks like I have two screws here. Boop, boop. Third one there. Look at what holds this plastic cover, and I believe behind this cover we'll be able to epoxy this maybe. Let's get this back. We'll also price it and see how much this little mechanical arm. And again, it's the only thing I see wrong with this here. All right, let's figure it out. All right, so I've taken it out and I've manipulated it just to exaggerate what the damage is. Check this out. See how it just pulled out right there. See, it matches right in there. So I got this JB Well clear well. I'm gonna go ahead and mix that epoxy up after I clean this. Get the surface nice and prepped, rough it up a little bit, and then I'm just gonna epoxy it on there. Let it cure, and it says it'll set in 5 minutes, cure in an hour, and then we'll just come back in an hour and see if it works.